What's it?
Did she get that? Say it, said it's finished.
You can't hardly move your feet.
I thought he was Get out there and skip with him, John.
Go over on the main road there.
Alright, let's go. Got my blood back up. My nipples.
I'm on my dress up as
Jennifer dressed up like the pecker, and us on each side, Jennifer in the middle, go hopping down the road.
Can you see a pregnant pecker?
A big pecker and two fairies. Come on.
Let's go.
I don't know what to more, my belly or my balls or my... Because this thing's about 8 foot tall. I kid you. Come here. I got a picture of it. I kid you not.
It's a proud moment for you, isn't it? You can feel both. I can see the look on your face.
Look over in the far right hand of that screen. See his balls down there at his feet?
You got a message.
Oh.
Just at the time you sent it to me, the message popped up.
I think you can only receive a picture message on a picture phone, but I ain't gonna swear to it.
She didn't get, but did you see that?